Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into the channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the best Midwest cheesesteak. Alright, now here are the ingredients. We have some Hammonds, mayo, or you can use Duke, wherever you prefer. We got some mozzarella and provolone cheese. We got onions right here, half an onion. We have like a half a cup of mushroom chopped up right here. Let me just show you guys that up close. Some garlic, some bell peppers, and we have some shredded lettuce. We have some triple cheddar cheese right here. We have some mild pepper rings, some French bread with sesame seed, and this is a sirloin steak. You guys always know me to use this. It tastes good. You don't really need no seasoning for this. And we have some tomatoes, and I might be putting some steak sauce on it. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get cooking. Okay fam, I put a little olive oil in here in this pan, and I'm gonna let this brown on each side for about just 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna flip it over, let it brown for another 2 minutes, then we'll start chopping it up. See you guys in a minute. Add our ingredients. We'll start with our onions. And my bell peppers. Can't go ahead and put the garlic. Actually, you put all the stuff in there, really. Mix this around. Let this saute up with frying. About half a teaspoon of that garlic. Not a lot, so you got garlic in it. Black pepper. You know I love that black pepper. A little salt. Granulated onion. Mix that up. And continue to cook. And start breaking down. And I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm going to spread it out evenly. Cheese on there. Like that. Turn this off. Fry about 2½ cups of cheese, and then we'll do our bread. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, let's go ahead and start cutting on this. Coming this way with it. Bring this bad boy up, like so. Get some of this bread out. Keep this bread and make some croutons or whatever you want to do with it, but I don't want that much bread in mine. Alright, take some mayo. I'm running out of mayo. Put my cheese and all that good stuff right here. And take this and just start putting it in there. It's a big boy now. Alright, that's what we're going to do. We're going to come in here and put some more cheese on here. A triple cheddar. That should be enough. But some of y'all like, put the whole bag on there. Nah, we ain't gonna do all that. You're gonna pay for it the next day, okay? So, take our lettuce, just like so. Alright, tomatoes. I'll put these pepper rings on here. Banana pepper rings. It'll give it more flavor. It's not hot, it's very mild, so don't worry about all that. Put a little juice on here. Just like so. Then you close this bad boy up. Let me see. Put some more of the tomatoes on here though. Close them up. Just like that, fam. There you have it. Well, you ain't gonna close all the way up, but you can close it up. Midwest. I'd say good. This is a Midwest cheesesteak. VELDOGG way. Alright. I'm gonna hold it up. Okay, fam. Here it is. The Midwest cheesesteak. Sir, get you one. You know how to make it now. That's how we do it in the Midwest. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, you already know, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Much love.